I'm going to use avocado and at least 2 ounces of breast milk. Next is to cut the avocado into half, then remove the pit or the seed. Cut it again to make it 4. Next is to slice it vertically then horizontally. Next is to remove the avocado using your knife. Mash the avocado using fork, or you can use food processor to blend it. Mix with breast milk to reach desired consistency. Then we are going to blend it again. Check if it's already smooth and creamy. Transfer into a baby food storage.